A warm welcome to the Toast the Coast Food Tour Home Kitchen. I'm delighted to be able to share with you a recipe to celebrate World Whiskey Day. My name is Portia and I want to share the recipe because it's all about some local ingredients. The recipe was supplied by Food NI, so thank you very much. And we're going to make it just very shortly, but first I'll share the ingredients with you. You want to set your oven at 150 degrees and prepare your ingredients perhaps in advance, which makes it a lot easier. So today we're using 300 grams of plain flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 140 ml of Maine brown lemonade from County Antrim. We're also going to be using 80 ml of Broighter Gold rapeseed oil from Limavady, and also then 35 ml of Bushmills Whiskey from County Antrim, and we're featuring today the 12-year-old and a beautifully personalised label that I have, which is dedicated to Embrace a Giant Spirit. We're also going to be using 200 ml of golden syrup and 3 eggs from the local farm nearby, which is fantastic to support them. We are going to be mixing all of that into the beater here, we call it a beater where I come from, until a smooth mixture. After that you're going to be putting it into the oven and cooking for 1 hour and 45 minutes. When the cake is ready, take it out of the oven and let it cool in the tin for 15 minutes. So let's get started. Cake, then we will add all our ingredients. Here is the plain flour that I have pre-sieved. We have the caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, the golden syrup, our 80 ml of Broighter Gold rapeseed oil, the Maine brown lemonade, and our 12-year-old Bushmills whiskey. Ready to mix into a very smooth batter. Our mixture ready for putting into our greased and lined cake tin. There we go, just get the last few drops. And we want to use a good spatula to make sure we don't waste any of that fantastic mixture. And we're ready for the oven. Stage is to create the whiskey glazed apples. For this we'll be using 100 grams of caster sugar, which is already in the pan, 75 ml of Maine brown lemonade, 50 ml of our Bushmills whiskey, 4 eating apples peeled and quartered, apples are ready to serve on top of the cake. You can see it's an absolutely beautiful golden colour from the Bushmills whiskey. So we'll put a little bit of it onto our cake. And I've skewered a few holes on the cake so that it can drizzle down through. And it will create a lasting moisture to the cake and fantastic flavour of Bushmills whiskey, hopefully. And then for some apples. We'll decorate our cake with some icing sugar and some extra fruit, just to make it look that little bit more appetizing for the table. Whatever you have available to you will look absolutely lovely on top. And the final touch, some homegrown edible flowers. Of course, your Bushmills Whiskey Cake can be the centrepiece for your afternoon tea. Some people will have tea, coffee, but of course there's always the option to have a toast of Bushmills whiskey to celebrate World Whiskey Day. Thank you very much.